Hi YouTube. We just lost 15 minutes of video footage. Unfortunately, the camera battery pack opened up and it corrupted the file. But we got Edward Tyndall here, Sarah Tyndall, Mikey Tyndall.
Bobby, Albert, and Jarrett.
Yep, he just got done opening.
I hope you missed the video.
Yeah, he hates it. You missed the video. We was unboxing his G Poultry Piece, Grandma Stola Poultry Piece, the Choco Golden Knee, and here it is right here. There's the Choco Golden Knee. Mikey transferred it by itself, opened it by itself, and everything else. This came as a gift to Mikey from Pelt Friction Tarantulas in the $100 mystery box that we had. And he wanted to show y'all something else that he got from you last year. Actually, we showed it in the last video, and it was eating, so you missed it eating. Mikey fed it 3 roaches, and he's got a mouthful of 3 roaches now. He's a year old, and he's growing really fast. So Mikey knows how to grow tarantulas really fast. And you like your tarantula from Jared and Ellie?
Yeah.
Without friction. I'm sorry the video got messed up, buddy. He made it so well. It was so perfect. And he loves you guys, and thank you so much.
He can't wait to see you guys.
Yep. Yeah, that's what he said in the last video. Can't wait to see you guys.
I want to buy a new spider from you.
Can't wait to buy a new spider from you.
Oh, snake. For $1.
Or a snake for $1, right. Good luck with that, Mikey. Alright, buddy. Alright. I'm sorry, people. That's horrible that we missed all that footage. It was so awesome watching him. He opened it all up and did it. Oh, yeah, and it said, they wrote on here, this one is for Mikey. Hope you love it as much as our son loves his. That's what it came in. You can watch the other video before this. Hopefully things will keep on going. Good. Another note, I did something off cam that I should have probably done on cam to show you guys how to do it, which is really rough. This tarantula here has been having some issues. This is a Phonopelma simani. Out of 324 of them, one of them was having an issue molting. This molt right here was stuck on the tarantula, and it was so bad. It was stuck in molt last time, and it had a couple pieces stuck on one pedipalp and that front leg. So this time I wet down the spider with the molt, and I pushed down on the molt with a tweezer, and then I took this piece of needle right here and pushed it up against the tarantula, forcing the entire pedipalp to break off. Which I hate to do that, but it was either do that or lose the tarantula, and it has stopped bleeding, and the pedipalp will grow back next time. So I just wanted you guys to know, sometimes they can get stuck in mold, and it's rare. If conditions are right, I don't know what happened, but something went wrong.
Yeah, unfortunately, I've had one of them die.
We have had a couple of them die. I've lost about 100 tarantulas to bad molts in my life, but I base that off of 100 to 250,000, somewhere roughly in there. I've only lost 100, so that's good numbers. And most of them was from poorly met conditions. I don't ever have no trouble with Brachypelma species. We're going to feed some of these because we are going. These are Homoria 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 females. There's 1 male here. And 1 unsexed here that I'm not sure of the sex yet. Here, put this Mikey's. Here, put Mikey's over there.
And there is 1 male over there.
We have this. Can you hold light for me while I'm holding this and doing this? Here's a B. Homoria female. Look at this elongated abdomen on here. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it has an elongated abdomen. I'm just waiting on you guys. I want you to see with the light. I should have done a close-up, but I can't do close-up mode now. We're going to try to power feed these things because I want them to grow. You can see that elongated abdomen, and there she goes. When I'm power feeding tarantulas, if you got conditions met properly and perfectly, everything will go smoothly. They'll grow fast, they'll molt, temperature has to be met. Humidity or dryness, depending on the species, and a constant flow of food. You have to feed the tarantula as much as the tarantula will eat until the tarantula does not want more. In the process, watching your tarantula to make sure that you did not leave too much food stuff in there, and it will come back and eat your tarantula when it molts. It's one of the ways I raise my tarantula so fast. All conditions are always met. And that's through trial and error and years and years and years of experience. The only thing that can side effect happen overfeeding your tarantula is if you was to drop a fully loaded tarantula on the ground, it would bust its abdomen and it would die. One more side effect is if you do this and you feed your tarantulas like this, when they get older and they have an egg sac, check that out. That one's thinking it's got something, it's got nothing. That's so cute. It's fixing to learn. Rusty Reds are fast.
Where to go?
Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go?
No,
oh,
that's
there he
nice
went.
way.
So this is a Bihomori, also female, and you see they don't have an elongated abdomen like the last one, which is pretty cool. The only other thing that can go wrong is when you power feed tarantulas, their metabolism, they metabolize so quickly that when you decide to breed them, you will have to pull their egg sac and incubate it, because if you do not, they will eat their egg sac because they grew up so fast. Just because they're used to getting plenty of food. And then they go off of food for some reason or whatever. So here's another Bihomori. Really favorite species of mine, if y'all can tell. Besides, I want to massively produce these because they're absolutely awesome, and I want you guys to be able to get some from me. Boom. Check that out. I keep mine on very dry substrate with a water bowl. We need water. Very dry substrate with a water bowl. When they put stuff in the water bowl, I'll dump it out like that so there's a wet spot, and then I will fill that water bowl back up. It don't hurt to have a gradient. Okay, that's funny to watch. Check out how that looks. Absolutely awesome, right? You're gonna deal with these as I go. All right, sweetheart. You're such an awesome spider woman. Yes, you are. My loveliest of lovelies. I was just showing how Sarah's put spider things. Here's another Bihomori. Check this little guy, this little gal out. Absolutely awesome, right? Right, friends? We get size appropriate roaches. Drop down in here for this one. Whoa! Gotta love the Homoris. They're awesome. Absolutely awesome, and they got a voracious appetite. They eat and eat and eat like bottomless pits. Just remember, don't, if you're going to handle your, right, is that all the Homoris? Oh, we're out of Homoris, people. What is this here then? This is a B. vegans, okay.
What's that water that needs to be removed?
Yes, this one's created a hazard for itself with this heavy water dish. It's made just a little thing that can kill it. So, I'm going to dump that out. We're going to put it over here. And he's just going to have to deal with that the way it is. I'm going to put a roach in there for that. Hopefully we get a kill for you guys. Oh, yep. See how that collapsed on him? See that? Accident waiting to happen, people. But he's not letting go, and he's not letting all this collapsing. Oh, run his mill. So he ran in there with his roach. No, her. That's also a female. I'm sorry. So that's a female Brachypelma vagans. Here's another vagans here. What is this one? Is this a female too? Sorry, I want to tell you guys right. This is another female Brachypelma vagans. Hopefully those of you who got freebies from us of these, and those of you who bought some of these from us, are this size now. If you've been feeding them and watering them, I want that shadow out of the way. If you've been feeding them and watering them right, there should be. And you see how they attack? You got that beautiful red rump. I like red-butted spiders, and I like red-headed women. Blue eyes. Your eyes are so blue on camera. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. She's got the goody blue eyes. Woohoo! All right, next.
Well, I get like I'm.
Your eyes are as beautiful as my spider's ass. I love it. All right, let's go to the next. Oh, this is funny, people. All right, here we have a Acanthoscurria geniculata. Acanthoscurria geniculata. Whoa, that one bucked like a bronco. Yep, gotta love the Acanthoscurria geniculatus. What's this guy over here? Or gal? That's the guy. That is our B. Amelia. Can you get that lid for me, sweetheart? Show people, since we're doing brachypoma still. Got so many brachypomas, my friends. There's a brachypoma Amelia. We're gonna push him down a little bit. Get down. Get down. Brachypoma Amelia. Maybe he's hungry. Oh yeah. That is a definite yes. Absolutely gorgeous spider. Check that out. Love it. Sorry for the blurriness. This camera does not have a self-adjusting thing on here. Here we have a Formictopus cantharides male. He will be ready to breed shortly. I know Tom Moran, maybe Tom, if you're watching this, Tom, and you want to do a breeding project with me on this, I will send this guy your way. I know you have at least 4 females, or you did have. See that? What do you think, Tom? Yep. He said in one of his videos this is one of his favorite tarantulas, and I see why. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Not a very good hunter this time. Try this again. Nope. Third time's the charm. Wanted to hold it this time. Yep, it's better when you hold it. They're hard hitters. I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but it was badass. So let me know in the comments below, or you can PM me or whatever you want, Tom, if you are interested in doing that. Also, I have Formictopus auratus. We need light, my love. Oh, yeah. Formictopus auratus, friends. So much Formictopus, so much auratus. These are an awesome tarantula, and they don't play. I'm gonna try to get this one too if it wants it. And that's a yes. I love the golden carapace on here. It's like golden and carapace. Quit doing your head like that. Gotta make it fun, my love. Alright, we're gonna go do a Cedar Lingai number 2, and then we have a Cedar Lingai number 3. I don't know where 1 is. Where's the 1 at? Oh, okay. Cedar Lingai number 1 has the hammock. Hey, did we ever do the video of that again, or did we lose that footage too?
I think we already did it, maybe.
Okay. Alright, friend. Whoa! Oh, that was all off cam. That sucks. Sorry, guys. Hard for me to film and do that and everything, but let me tell you, from what I saw on my end, it was cute. That's a Cedar Lingai female that we will be breeding with this male, a different bloodline, and it's also a different bloodline from that one, so not that it matters, just so you know. As far as we know, as far as science knows, it does not really matter. I don't know myself. I'll let you know if I can get any birth defects in the future, but I doubt it. Insects operate differently. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here and hopefully we'll get something. We got a spider out here. He's on the prowl. He's gonna hunt until he gets that roach. I know that. I'm gonna drop another one in there for him just in case. Okay, they got it. I highly recommend this species for anyone because they don't play and they've been known. Not to mention, they're bad to the frickin' bone. Edward Tyndall, Sarah Tyndall, and so many tarantula Tyndalls out.
Well, I know someone
Peace
just
and
got
love.
their package today.
They did? Who got their package today? Leave a link in the comments below, and I will definitely watch it and add it to... Oh, did they make a video? Oh, you didn't make a video? That's a shame. I could have put it on my unboxings playlist. Who was it? Which one?
Dairy balls.
Dairy balls?
Yep.
Dairy balls. Dairy family balls? Awesome. Did everything make it there alive and well?
Yep.
Of course it did. It was shipped by Edward Tyndall. I don't play.
So everyone, if we do send packages, I do try to watch out. And I do watch constantly, so if I constantly message you, so be aware. It's not me being crazy, it's just when these babies leave our house.
She do.
I constantly watch them until they're in your hands and I know they're safe.
Yep, and for these 20 below zero things and everything y'all can see up there, I have these solid blocks of foam insulation. I sliced them in half, hollow them out, heat packed them, and completely all-weather duct taped the entire surroundings. So for 40 to 72 hours, depending on the heat pack, that tarantula will be 100% impermeable by all weather conditions. Only on Edward Tyndall YouTube. I'm out.
I've got babies to feed.
Alright, bye people.